How to stop YouTube lagging in Brave. I am going to show you how you can easily stop YouTube from lagging in Brave. Make sure your graphics driver is up to date. This ensures your computer can handle video playback smoothly. Clearing cache and cookies can help remove temporary data that might be slowing down your browsing experience. Sometimes browser extensions can interfere with video playback. Try disabling or removing extensions that you don't need. Resetting your browser to its default settings can resolve issues caused by settings changes or conflicts. Hardware acceleration utilizes your computer's hardware to improve browser performance. You can turn this on in Brave settings under System and then use hardware acceleration when available. Experiment with different graphics backends like OpenGL, D4 or D3D11 in Brave settings under System, then Advanced, then Graphics Backend to see which works best for your system. Open YouTube videos in a private window to check if any extensions or settings in your regular browsing session are causing the lag. Ensure your Brave browser is updated to the latest version. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that help with lag issues.